You want to use Firefox but you cannot get it run on your Windows PC? Then let's fix that. Firstly, ensure your system meets Firefox minimum requirements, including at least a Windows 7, a Pentium 4 processor with SSE2 support, and a stable internet connection. Now, if you're still unable to install Firefox, consider trying the installation in safe mode. But if the issue persists, temporarily disable your antivirus software or run the installer as an administrator by right-clicking on it. Then select Run as Administrator from the Download folder. Alternatively, attempt installation using an offline installer from Mozilla's website, then choose your preferred installer and click Download Now. Now after downloading, install it and continue with the on-screen instructions. You should also address potential installation conflicts by deleting temporary files to the command prompt with admin rights. Use the following command, then press Enter. Moreover, check for any pending updates by opening Settings, click Windows Update, and choose Check for Updates for any pending updates to download it. And those are the ways on what you can do if Firefox is not installing on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.